enthusiast. Welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how we can hide the chart labels so that we can compare any two or any three of the products or flavors. For say, I want to compare the sales of chocolate and butterscotch. So here I will hide vanilla and strawberry so that I can easily compare this two sales data of chocolate and butterscotch. So what we have to do is we have to click on the table, like we have to click on the chart, select the data. Here we have the horizontal axis labels. uh, you can see that all four, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry and butterscotch, are selected. So we just have to simply unselect the vanilla and strawberry. So this is how we will get the data of, so this is how we can get the chart data of chocolate and butterscotch only. Similarly, if I want to compare vanilla to chocolate or strawberry to chocolate, I can do that by using this simple trick. So if you like our video, follow Excel up to excel such skills. Bye bye.